Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target email list in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to simply type in the Google Ads there, and once you're in the Google Ads you have to simply go to the first website like this, and here you have to simply click on the sign in or the start now button as you wish, and then when you click on the sign in button it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the tools icon and then click on the troubleshooting you have to just click on the tools icon, then you have to just click on the shared library icon from here. After that you have to just simply click on the audience manager from the shared library. Just simply click on the audience manager, and once you click on the audience manager, here you will get all the data segments: audience, customer segments, combined segments, your data insights, your data resources. Here you will get all the audiences, but if you are new it will just simply show the zero. Since I am new here, that's why it's not showing. And then what I need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top, and here you will get all the option of customer list, YouTube users, and all other things. So you can just simply click one of this and you can just simply add audience to your Google Ads. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.